never go out of fashion. But these ones that I'm about to swatch, they are not only affordable, they are also for all skin tones. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to your show. If you're new to this channel and you watch this video from beginning to the end and you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Tell your friends about my channel. So let's get to it. From my title, you already know what I'm about to do, what I'm about to talk about or swatch or review. So we know that dark brown chocolate or chocolate lipsticks, they are actually, how will I put it, they never go out of fashion. But these ones that I'm about to swatch, they are not only affordable, they are also for all skin tone. If you're fair, a fair person can use this, a very dark person can use this, a brown person can use this. Depending on your skin tone, this works for everybody and they are very affordable. So this is from Classic Makeup USA. This is their chocolate lipstick. Look at it. Look at how it looks like. And guys, this smells so nice. Chocolate from Classic Makeup USA. It's actually matte, but it is not. It's a soft matte. It's a soft matte. It's not a creamy matte. Like, it's dry, but it's not that mattish. You know, it's not that dry. And this works. Look at how dark it is. This will work for everybody. Look, Thunder from the same company, the same makeup company. This is Thunder Classic Makeup USA. This is Thunder. This is Thunder here. This is how it is. This is how Thunder came out. This is Thunder. Here is Thunder. This is nice. One thing I like about this brown is it's giving me a kind of brown that's as if it has a reddish undertone, but this is brown. Guys, I love this. I really love this, and this will absolutely work for everybody. Look at it. Look at it. It's very nice. Brown. It's almost similar to chocolate, but if you look at it, chocolate is deeper than this. This is lovely. This can be worn to anywhere. Guys, this is Jordana Sweet Lip Cream in the shade Molten Chocolate. Guys, this is lovely. This is super lovely. Guess what? It dries down like matte. It's matte. Like it's not like the other ones, like they are gummy or something, but this one is very dry, very dry, and I love this chocolate. This chocolate will work for all skin tones. Look at it. A dark person can wear this, a very dark person can wear this, a fair person can wear this, a brown person can also wear this. Let me put it on my hand so you see. This is it. These are all chocolate lippies. So guys, this is Zaron Max Sheen Lip Gloss Goth. This is dark chocolate. Look at it. Very nice. Like, it's nice for all skin tones. All skin tones can wear this. This is it. And you see it's shiny. It's a lip gloss. It's shiny and it's brown. Okay guys, this is it here. You know, nude right now, we've already defined what nude is. Your nude to you could be, it could be nude to another person. At the same time, it might not. So the concept of it's just pink and, you know, it's gone. This is nice. This is nice. This is also dark chocolate. and this will work for all skin tones. This is a lip gloss from Flawless Ivy, their nude lip gloss collection. This color is Alice. This is Alice. I like this. I love this. This will work for all skin tones. And guys, all this, they are very affordable. From Thunder, from chocolate to Thunder, Molten chocolate, Goth, Alice. These are all from from 4 different cosmetic brands, and this will work for all skin tones. And guys, you don't have to break the bank for this. It is super affordable. So guys, till next time, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, I love you. Do love yourself. Bye.